I just leave the vacuum out so I can keep up with them.
My cleaning day? It should be every day.
What? I'm saving it for later.
With its long-lasting lithium-ion battery, the Hoover Lynx cordless stick vac helps you keep up with the messes as they happen, wherever they happen. And it's the only cordless stick vac with patented wind tunnel technology. The Lynx cordless stick vac from Hoover.
Hoover, nobody does it like you.
Busy has become a new way of living, so we invented a smarter way of cleaning. Introducing the Black & Decker 2-in-1 cordless stick and hand vacuum with smart tech sensing features. AutoSense helps you power through your cleaning by automatically adjusting suction from bare floors to thick carpet, so you get more power when you need it and longer battery life too. Battery Sense shows you how much battery remains, so you know how much longer you can clean before you need to recharge. And Filter Sense alerts you when it's time to clean the filter, so you continue to get maximum performance. The Black & Decker 2-in-1 cordless stick and hand vacuum with Smart Tech is super convenient for those hard-to-reach spots and those easy-to-miss places. With a long-lasting lithium-ion battery, you can move from room to room without the hassle of a cord. The Black & Decker 2-in-1 cordless stick and hand vacuum with Smart Tech sensing features is affordable and now available at your favorite stores. Clean smarter, not harder.
Say goodbye to your broom and dustpan with the Bissell PowerEdge Pet Hard Floor Vacuum. You know how pet messes can end up: along baseboards, around the litter box, and especially around food bowls. With the Bissell PowerEdge Pet Hard Floor Vacuum, you can vacuum along edges and corners where pet hair, food, and litter tend to collect, without any of the usual frustration. Some stick vacuums aren't designed to, or lack the power to pick up large bits of debris, and they don't clean all the way to the edge. But the innovative suction technology of the PowerEdge Pet funnels large debris into the powerful central suction path, while the ends of the V capture dirt along the edges. Rubber-like material on the bottom of the foot attracts pet hair, and powerful suction prevents it from escaping into other areas around the house. It's lightweight, versatile, and easy to use. Best of all, it is ready to go whenever you need it, helping to keep your home in order. So if you're fond of pets, but not of the cleanup, the Bissell PowerEdge Pet Hard Floor Vacuum has you covered, edge to edge. Bissell. We mean clean.
Yeah.